Yonchap is the practice of creating an offering out of water. As water is one of the four elements of natural, the worshipper procedures with a preference for generosity and to rein in their selfishness and greed. Water is taken into consideration free, plentiful, and painless to provide. The message is that we need to provide all of our services the manner we might offer water. The practice has been part of Himalayan Buddhist subculture since the 8th centuries. However, its most effective have become extra sizable in the 11th century. Whilst the Indian great Atisa visited Tibet, he noticed the Tibetan springs and rivers to be very clean. Thus he proposed that water on my one turn into enough as an supply in the Himalayas. With that, Yonchap become even greater common. The significance of each bowls. The regular practice is to set of 7 bowls. Some sources say that 7 bowls are used to reap the 7 limbs or factor of enlightenment. It represents the 7th factor of prayer, prostrating, offering to the Buddhas, confessing our wrongs, rejoicing in the preferred qualities of oneself and other, requesting for the Buddhas to stay inside the wall, beseeching the Buddhas to train others, dedicating the deserve of ourselves and others, so that all sentient beings can also enjoy happiness and distinctive future. Each of the 7 bowls has its unique significance. The 7 bowls include 2 water and 5 items of fundamental utility. The first bowl for the Buddhas to drink and cleanse his mouth or face. The second bowl for the Buddhas to wash his feet or take a bathtub. It symbolizes purifications of our negative karma. The third bowls represent the extraordinary styles of flora, symbolizes the splendor and flowering of enlightened man, signifying the opening of one's heart. The fourth bowl represents incense to provide a sweet-smelling aroma for the Buddha, symbolizes morality, ethics, and subject. The fifth bowl comes with a source of mind, usually a lamp, to illuminate the darkness. The light symbolizes the dispellation of all darkness of the thoughts and lack of know-how. Ignorance referred to one being ignorant of their real inherent Buddha nature. The sixth bowl, it is scented. The perfume symbolizes preservation and joy, which is the heart of enlightened man. The seventh bowl, this is meals. Although the enlightened ones does now not require material food offerings, it is miles for the temporary remedy from suffering that beings experience through starvations and starvations. The 8th bowl, if 8 bowls are supplied, the 8 bowls has an supplying that represents sound, possibly a musical tool to entertain God with music.